More questions arise regarding an ethics complaint against Watertown City Council member Cliff Olney, this time about rising legal costs and how the complaint was made. Here's 7 News reporter Lexi Bruning.
Councilmember Cliff Olney says the city racked up nearly $20,000 on 2 lawyers to help former Mayor Jeff Smith file an ethics complaint against him.
The city is spending a fortune of the taxpayers' money covering up for what Jeff Smith posted as far as a false ethics complaint against me.
The 2023 complaint alleges Olney made privileged information public. Olney says the city is required to provide him with legal representation, but that hasn't happened. He's since had to raise money to get an attorney. He says that raises concerns about fairness and favoritism.
Jeff Smith had no authority as an individual or as mayor without a vote from the city council to be able to bring a charge against me, especially in the way that it was done. And then there's a question about the amount of money that was spent.
Olney sent this letter to city council and the city attorneys arguing Smith could not convene an emergency ethics board meeting and spend taxpayer dollars on legal fees without a majority council vote. Smith says he filed the complaint as mayor and followed the process correctly, as laid out in the city charter.
This is an internal tool for city employees, city officers, and members of the council to file ethics complaint. Could you imagine a employee has an ethics complaint against another employee and the council is supposed to bring that forward and vote on it before it goes to the ethics board?
As for the thousands of dollars in legal fees,
if there's an extra meeting of the planning board, the city council doesn't vote on it to say, well, was more money spent. The planning board will meet.
When asked about the emergency meeting and legal fees without a council vote, City Attorney Kristen Smith declined to comment. Lexi Bruning, 7 News.